how to fix Honor Magic 7 won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and then scroll down and click on apps and then again click on apps. Now scroll down and open messages app and then click on storage. Now here clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection. Then open browser and here you can check your internet connection will be work properly or not. Now here you can check my internet connection will work properly. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates. Then click on software updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. Then go back and click on reset. And here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.